Hello, everyone. Welcome you all in our live session. This is Arzu, and happy Republic Day to all of you in advance. From GoGlobalways family, we are wishing you a very happy Republic Day. Today in session, we are going to make a flag, Indian flag, with the help of Python, and the library that we are going to use here, it's Turtle. So I just want to show you a bit about like what we are going to show in this, what we will deal with. And as you all know about Python, I think what Okay, I think all students are here and let's start with our session. This session is based on Python. You all know, like I described already, and I'm going to show you that what we are going to create and what kind of flag we are going to create. Actually, this session I make it like so simple and easy because most of the student telling me that ma'am the sessions based on HTML, JavaScripts, and Python, these become so tough for us. So that's why I made according to the students. So I'm going to show you what we are going to make. Let me share my screen. So Turtle is basically, a library that present graphics. So we will learn how to move our cursor, how to fill colors, how to make shapes. So with that, we will simply create a flag shape. And it's really simple for the beginners. You can definitely go for the video. Okay, so I think the screen is visible for all of you. So this is a very, very simple design that we are going to create with the help of Turtle. Screen will be visible within some seconds. It will take. I think everybody can see the design over here that we are going to create. So I want like everyone can write down the code step by step, like what we will do first. So the very first part we will do is we will make a rectangle. Then we will make like 3 rectangles we will create, saffron, white, and green color. And the brown color line we will make for the bar. And then there is a Ashok chakra. So for that, we will take, like, we will make a circles, and we will make number of lines accordingly. So that's what the basic design is we are going to follow. And I think everyone can see that here. Just give me 2 minutes. Hi, so sorry. So I was facing some technical glitch. That's why it's a bit late and system got hanged. So, okay, let's start. Like, as I told you, we are creating a flag, and the platform that we are going to use is rappel.it. So I'm just going to share my tab. I think this is visible for all of you. So once you will be on this website, when you will type rappel.it, then you will see the window like this. And what you will do, you will come on the create option, because here I want to create one file first, and this file is related to my library, that's Turtle. So I'll scroll this down, and I got one library like Python with Turtle. So here Turtle is already installed, and I will use this file Python with Turtle. Here I will write my project name. So I don't want this, and I'll simply write flag. Whatever you want to write for your project, you can definitely write it. And now I'll create my REPL. So here you can make the project, and you can directly share the link with your friends, your family members, or if you want to share or show your project related to the coding one, you can definitely do that. Okay, now we are here. So as you all know that this is the console section. Okay, here you can see the output, and this is the section where we will do the code. The very first thing is we are going to write down the code, and I want to be it very clear. So I am just, clear my section where I will write down the code. The very first part is that I will call my library, that's Turtle. So for calling the library, you have the command that's import Turtle. Okay, and after having this command, I want to create the screen of the Turtle. So the screen, I will call it as a variable that screen is equals to turtle.s capital screen. Okay, this is actually the symbol. That's how we are going to write this same command. Then after calling the screen, I will call my turtle, like I'm making one variable that I can call my turtle with TTL. Okay, so it's actually easy to write again and again, turtle dot turtle. So it's easy method that I can directly call TTL. So this is easy for me. So that's why I will do turtle dot turtle. This I can call with TTL. Okay, so wherever I want to call turtle, my cursor, turtle is actually a cursor. So if I want to call my cursor, I will simply write down this command and I can get my cursor there. Now, what I want is, because turtle is my pen, so I will give the command, there is a command that turtle pen up. Okay, because pan up means it will not write anything onto the screen. It will directly go to the position without drawing anything. Okay, so I actually want to give a position for my flag, means from where I need to start making my flag. Okay, that's what I want. So for giving the position, I simply write TTL dot pen up. Okay, so pen up command I wrote, and now I write TTL dot go to and the position I will give. So I am giving the coordinate. I think you all know about coordinate. I explained the same thing in lots of sessions. Coordinate defines the position of anything. Now I will write TTL dot pen down, means when my turtle reaches to the position, the pen will be down for my turtle. So if I'll see the output, like how it look like. So here is my cursor, and as you can see that here is my cursor, the turtle, and from this point, I will start making the flag. Okay. Now, next part, the next part I will take is, like I will make the orange color rectangle, okay, saffron color rectangle. So here, if I call orange, then it looks like saffron. So now I will write TTL dot color, means I'll pick the color for my flag. So the color will be orange. Okay, so I directly call my color name and it will take now TTL dot begin underscore fill. So this begin underscore fill command actually indicate that it will fill my rectangle with the color. And now I will move my cursor TTL dot forward, and I will take 400 as forward. Okay, now after going forward, of course it should take turn, means if I will draw something, my cursor will go forward like this. Now the face of my cursor is towards east like this. It has to take turn in this way so that it can create a rectangle, right? So for doing this, which turn it is, like anti-clockwise turn or clockwise turn. So if I'll see, this is turn right. Clockwise turn means this is turn right. So that's why I'm doing the same concept here, that TTL dot right, and this will be 90. So it will take 90-degree turn. After that, of course, I will repeat the same command like TTL dot forward, and it should be 400. So I simply copy this command and paste it here instead of writing it again and again. So that's fine. Now, after doing like when I wrote this command that ttl dot forward with 400 pixel, I will end it with the color filling part. Okay, so I will give command like here begin fill, ttl dot begin fill. Now instead of it, I will write down the command ttl dot end fill. So instead of begin, here I will write end fill. That's it. Okay, so actually here you have some suggestions, and make sure if you click on suggestions, don't write it by yourself. So now if I run it, if I run this code, this was my cursor and it draws something like that. Oh my God, what's that? It's actually drawing one triangle for me, I think. Yeah, it's one triangle, and this is something really not look like a rectangle at all. So why it's not looking like a rectangle? Let's see, let's find out the way, like we are using the color is orange and we fill it like this. The forward is 400, then turn right 94, and oh my God, it should be 84. Oh my God. Actually, it should go down, and I did not draw this line. See this line, then I have to draw this line, then this, right? Then it should complete. Oh my God. Okay, so here to correct line number 12, to write 84, because it has to come here. So if I run this one, see, it covers the half one because I end the fill part. No, I don't want to end it. I should take right turn now. So it gives me the suggestion of turn right. I can directly copy this command and paste it here. So it will take right turn. Then of course it will, like after taking the right turn, it will take forward with 400 pixel, the same command. If there is a same command, definitely you can go for copy paste option because it's good one. So the forward will be like 400 pixels. It should be forward. So I'm just taking copy and paste. Yeah, that's done. Now if I run it, see, I did with the like this rectangle part. Now this is the orange color rectangle. Now what I want to draw a green color rectangle as well. So the same thing we will do for green color rectangle. What I will do is that this TTL color orange, this whole command I will do copy, and now I'm telling you the shortest method. Paste it here. Okay. So instead of orange, of course, I will write green because we want to write green, like we want to fill with green color. Now, your cursor is somewhere around here. So it has to, make some line first, like it has to make some line like that. Okay. So for making the line, I know that what will be the command is 84. So the length of the line is 84, and this time the turn is left, not right. If you identify by yourself, the turn will be left, not right turn. Then it should be moving forward with 400 pixels, and then it will be 90 left turn. And after left turn, it will forward with 84 pixels. And filling is end. Now, if I run this code, see, there is again something wrong. So see, you have to identify the things that's going wrong. Okay, so what changes we can do? You can comment down in the video, like what changes we can do. It's really good to interact with all of you, and let's see who will give more and more answers. By the way, we have lots of gift hampers for the students. So if you are answering, and you're taking live sessions and sending us your project on Instagram, then we'll have some surprise for you guys. Okay, so let's find out. So it's begin fill 84, 90, 400, 90. That's fine. It's 84 and the fill. So here the forward command, it's left command, and after going left 90, then it should be 400, then left 90, and then 84, then it should be like that. Okay, I think for end filling I have to move it bit down, because at the center I have to take the space for the white color. Okay, so for doing that I will write down the command that ttl dot left, and this left turn will be 90°. And after this, ttl dot forward, and this should be forward with 84. I think now if I run it, see, ooh, that's done. So see, like this is orange rectangle, like saffron, and this is green. And now what next? Actually, we want to draw one circle here. So for drawing the circle, we have a command, like I want to draw one blue color circle for making a show chakra. So we will write down the command that ttl dot pen up, because of course we need to jump them to the position, right? And then ttl dot go to, and the coordinate I'm giving is 0. Actually, most of the time I do code on Turtle, so that's why I have an idea about the coordinate, but you can identify it by yourself. So it's good practice. Once you are familiar with that, you can definitely give perfect coordinate for your graphics. So now pen down, okay, and now the color I will select. I will take ttl dot color, and the color we will select is navy. Okay, and after selecting the color, we will write ttl dot begin, means we are going to start filling the color. It's very simple. There's nothing like pen up, pen down, begin fill, making the shape. You're making it with the help of code part. By your understanding, you can even make different uh, flags also, not only Indian flags. So if you belong to different country, you can definitely make different countries flag. Okay, so now just try to understand the concept for that. So now the circle, I am giving the radius of the circle, that's 35, and ttl dot end fill, I'm giving the command, and here it is. Now if I run it, let's see. So here we go. We have navy color circle over here. Now, after drawing the circle, I want one more thing, like drawing like in the circle, we have to draw something, because there are some flex also in the circle. So I want to create some lines also inside the circle. So I will give the command like ttl dot pen up, and then we will write ttl dot go to 30, 0. These are the coordinates I'm giving. Then ttl dot pen down. I think this is, you know very well, pen up, pen down command. We give pen up when we need to jump from some one position to another position, pen down when we need to make something. Okay. So I want some white color over here also, no? So that's why I'm taking, like, I want to fill a small circle with white color so that it should make a outline circle. So there is a circle, navy, and then inside there is a white color circle. So that's what I'm drawing, white color, small circle. That was 35. Now this is 30. Okay. So color, and here I'm taking white. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's down. Then TTL dot begin fill. We'll start filling, and of course we will give the radius of the circle that should be smaller than the above one. Okay, now I'm giving 30 and TTL dot end fill. This is done. Now if I run it, see, to do. Yee, that's so nice. See, you know, you can apply the logics, and this flag actually I made it by myself. So you can even try more better than this. You can take, you know, waves with the flags when you're writing down the code. So do something different. It's really interesting to do that. Okay, now the next part is I want to draw mini blue circles of the flags. Okay, so let's make mini blue circles of the flags. So for making that, I am just writing TTL dot pen up. Okay, so it's like same TTL dot pen up, TTL dot pen down. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking these three commands and I'm just copy this code, and in line number 44 I'll paste this code, and here I will give the coordinates. So the coordinates are -27 and -4. Okay, that's fine. Now the pen down and the color selection also I want. So I'm just doing copy the code and I'm pasting it here. The color, again, I want for making small circle, nano circle, that will be navy. And then I'm taking a loop here because I have to make lots of small sticks, right? So that's why I'm taking for loop here. So for, I'm taking J in place of variable. If you know about for loop, then I think you can definitely understand the concept. If you don't know about for loop, I will explain you as much I can. And if you want complete and descriptive explanations on the loops and everything, then you can definitely go and check our courses. We have very interesting courses, really. We made so amazing projects with the students. Okay, so here we have the range, and the range is like I'm taking the range 24. What is range? Range is actually, if I talk about repeat block, that means something is going to repeat 24 number of times. You can simply understand it that it works like a repeat block, means some code, that code I'm going to write inside the loop is going to repeat number of times, means 24 times. Okay, and this is for loop. Whenever we place any loop inside the Python, we will put colon. Okay, as you can see, there's no semicolon colon above. So when we write simple command, it's fine, but when we write the loop, it should like has the colons, and it should has a space, a particular space for writing it. This is called indentation. This is very important. If you don't write it with correct indentation, that your code should face error. And don't tell me that, ma'am, my code is not working. So please don't tell me like that. Okay, so TTL, now again I'm going to write begin fill. That's fine. And then ttl.circle. I want to create circle. The radius of the circle I'm giving 2, and then end fill command I will copy from here. So I'll copy the end fill command from here and I'm pasting it. Then ttl pen up command I will take. So I'll copy this pan up command, I'm pasting it. Then ttl forward. So, okay, I will write. So ttl dot forward. Ooh, it's not D forward. TTL dot forward and 7 pixels it has to forward means very little small lines I want to create. That's why I'm doing this. And now I will take TTL dot right turn. So I will write TTL dot ROVST right and TTL dot right with 15 degree. I'm taking like 15 degree, very little small degrees. I'm taking TTL dot pen down. Yeah, that's done. Okay, let me check with this. Okay, let's run the code. Ooh, ding. See, oh my God, there are lots of circles and there are 24 circles. It's drawing inside the circle. So you can simply divide, you can simply calculate that how many circles you can draw inside and you know how you can draw that. So this is looking so amazing. Now we made this blue circles like over here and we put the for loop over. Now we want to create the sticks. Okay, so for creating the sticks I will take the color. So I'm taking this command ttl dot color and I will come out of the loop because now I will create the sticks. So for making the sticks, I will take the color that's brown color. Okay, and now I'm after selection of color, I will select the pen size. Pen size should be thin, meaning should be very thin. Okay, so that's why I'm taking ttl dot pen size and the pen size will be 10. Okay, then ttl dot pen up, then ttl dot go to the position. Basically 150 125 is the position that we go with. ttl dot right, it should be 180. ttl dot pen down, so ttl dot forward 500 it is, and I think it's done. After that I want to hide my turtle, so I'm taking hide turtle. And by the way, pan size will be, actually we have to make spokes also. So this is the command for making sticks. Okay, no problem. I will write the final command. Like once you have done with the code, you will write turtle.done. Okay, now if I run it, see, actually here you also have to write down the command for making the spokes. Okay, so for making that I am writing it down until it's running. So I'm just writing I'm just taking this command. Okay, because it will save my time. Okay, so here the command for this is pen up. Now the position I'm giving is 0 and 0, and then pen down. Then I need to set the pen size also. So TTL dot pen size, and pen size will be 1. I'm setting up. Then I will take the for loop. So I'm taking for j in range 24. Of course, if there are 24 circles, then there must be 24 spokes, right? Now, oh, where is my for? So, okay, this is for loop. And now if I press enter, so it gives me the command ttl dot forward. It should be 30. Okay, then ttl dot backward. It should be 30. And ttl dot left. It should be 15. Okay, I think this is all done. Now, if I run it, so here we go. To do. And guys, happy Republic Day to all of you in advance from GoGlobalways family. And stay happy, make something interesting. This is a very, very simple, easy graphics that you can create at home and make it. And please send us your projects, because we are also very excited to see what have you created at home. So guys, I think everyone, this is done. This is all about our session, and you can have our sessions like every Saturday. Every Saturday we are having the sessions for younger students, for elder one as well, and we have various courses. So to access our courses, we have surprise gift hampers for all of the students. Those are giving answers to us, because see, if you're not sending us the answers, and whatever you are creating by watching our videos, then this is quite difficult for us to select, right? So okay, let's meet all of you in new session next Saturday. Till then, bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching.